My beautiful wife has been looking for a jewelry organizer for a while, so I decided to build one for her birthday. These are the steps I took to build one from scratch.
If you found this video helpful, or if you want to help support our channel so we can make quality content, please support us on Patreon. We'll have a link below. Thanks for watching. All right, it's finally finished. It's got 100 hooks. It's got 100 hooks to be able to hang all of the earrings, necklaces, jewelry, accessories. It also has bins in the bottom for lotions, perfumes, and accessories as well. And it's going to hang up on the wall. We're going to be putting some pictures on the outside, so it's a picture frame, and then on the inside it has all the jewelry. And you see here we've got all the hooks for the necklaces, so we're going to have necklaces all the way across, and then have earrings, bracelets, and then have a ledge here for all of the different boxes for rings and stuff like that as well. So today we're going to show you a secret on how to mount things on the wall and knowing exactly where you need to place the holes. How you're going to use this secret is you're going to get some masking tape, whether it's white, blue, whatever, or even some clear sticky tape. You're going to get an erasable marker. And right here you see the 4 places that we're going to need to have this thing mounted on the wall. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a piece of tape, mark every single one of the holes, and we'll show you the next step. Okay, as you see, we've put it along the structure here. Okay, so what you do, you pull it up where it's supposed to go. Okay, and what we're going to do is at the very top where it's supposed to go, okay, so what you do is you put your line up on the wall exactly where you want it. And then what you do is you get your level up there. You make sure that your line is level. And then you get to your marks. You drill a hole in there and then you pull the tape off. All right, we got it up on the wall. It's mounted. It's completely level and it's ready to go. This is before and all right, we got it up on the wall. It's mounted. It's completely level. And it's ready to go. Okay, so we went ahead and finished it. Like I said, it's going to be a jewelry holder as well as a picture frame. We're doing a lot of black and white in the house, so we got black and white photos of some of our special moments, and then inside is our jewelry organizer. We've got our necklaces, we've got all of our rings and all of our earrings and bracelets. And then we're going to have all of the lotions and perfumes down below. And so it puts everything easily accessible, untangled, and able to be accessed at any time so you can go out and have fun.